Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And how are you? 最近好吗？
按旧好吗？
按旧好吗 That's this month's theme, something that you can use every day, and we want to pound it in your mind so you remember how to say it. 按旧好吗我们每次都要复习，希望大家呢至少可以记得这句话，对不对？最近好吗？可是最近好吗？有很多的方式可以去带出来，对不对？ There are alternative ways of saying how are you. For instance, long time no see. 这个我们常常英文会这样子讲，对不对？
对。
而且真的国外是这样子讲的哦，
真的哦，
他就是照着中文这样子直译过来 ，Long time no see， 好久不见。How do you say that？
按旧没看到。
按旧就是好久，那没看到，对不对？
对，
没看到。That means a long time I haven't seen you. OK， 好久没见到你了啊。
按旧没看到就是海陆腔。
另外一个 dialect. OK, for a different dialect of saying long time no see is。
按旧没看到，
按旧没看到 ，Alright， 听起来比较飘一点的感觉，对不对？好，那有可能很简单的我们一直在教最近好吗？可是最简单的，其实外国人第一个来就是谢谢，你好吗？这样子 ，Right？ 每次都是要学这个，对不对？Exactly. When we have visitors here in Taiwan, we always teach them, "How are you? 你好吗 ？Right? How do you say that?"
好吗？
这很简单啦，好吗 ？Okay, remember that. 好吗 ？And finally, maybe you want to say 最近在忙什么 ？What have you been busy with? 会问的比较仔细一点哦。最近在忙什么？
按旧都给无限默嘅。
这个就比较长一点的句子了哈。One more time. 按旧
都给无限默嘅。
无限默嘅好多咕咕雞在跑来跑去了感觉好像满街的鸡在跑But it means what have you been busy with lately? Okay? 按旧都嘅
無限默嘅。
無限默嘅，默嘅就是什麼事情嘛，對不對 ？Okay, let's review all these phrases. 好久不見 long time no see. 按旧沒看到 and then 你好嗎 How are you?
好嗎？
好嗎 And 最近在忙什麼 What have you been busy with?
按舊都給無限默嘅。
按舊都給無限默嘅 And that's all part of this month's theme. How are you lately? 最近好嗎？
按舊好嗎？
按舊好嗎 And thank you so much for tuning in to Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.